What's good? So let's install VMware virtual machine. It is a bit tricky to find the download link because when you Google VMware download, you go to their website, it doesn't go smooth. You cannot download it here. If you go to products, you're gonna have a lot of work to do before you find the download link. So to make it easier, I already have the download link for you. I'm gonna leave it in the description. So that's the link. I'm just gonna follow that. Sorry, it's taking a bit long because I'm running it on virtual machine because I already have it. I don't want to mess with it. Okay, we're ready here. You can go to, depends what you have. If you're running Linux, go for Linux. I'm on Windows, so I'll press personal use Windows, go for the newest version. And downloads, so you just press here and download it. I already have it downloaded. It's on my desktop, so now just proceed with it as you install any other program. Double click, press yes. It's installing. Press next, accept, next. So yeah, that's easy. The biggest challenge is to find the download portal link. Keyboard driver. You probably don't need that. Press next. Next. Desktop. Just follow. And so let's wait it to download, and I gotta show you like few things how to optimize it. Okay, so the installation is over. Press finish, and here you go. You got VMware Workstation on your PC. Let's double click on it. Let's run it really quick. Choose for personal use, continue, finish. And here you go. You're ready to add your virtual machines here. Yep, that's pretty much it. I'll show how to install Windows and Linux for VMware in the next video. Thanks for stopping by. Enjoy the ride.